Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Pool Opening 2026. This is now part 7, opening the skimmers. I had to get the water level up in the pool. Let me tell you something. My water pressure certainly has not increased, but this new filler pipe that Lexmark's 567 and I rigged up last summer has really gotten the job done. Take a look. You could actually just move right here. Look at that, and it's right over the top step where it should be. Here is the pool today. This is 2 days later. I filled for about 8 hours on the day of opening and 12 hours on the following day, which was yesterday. And here we are right up to the level where it should be. Green? Yeah, it's green. We haven't cleaned anything yet. We put some chlorine tabs in, and that certainly has helped. You can tell by the steps there where the water level was. You can see the green right there, and I added all of that water like that, which just looks green because the green reflects. A nice blue pool makes the water look blue, but the water, of course, is perfectly clear, as evidenced on the top step. Okay, time to open the skimmers. I fixed the leak in the chlorinator, but now the sky is leaking. So it's raining again like it did the other day, so we're just going to do it in the rain, because that's all I can do. First step is to get the freeze jobber things, these things, out of the skimmers, because otherwise it won't take any water. They just unscrew, or at least they're supposed to. No problem on that. And that's good too. Now we'll go to the pump. I want to open the west skimmer first because that has the shortest run back here and therefore less air in it. That's the idea. You don't want to just open this because you'll admit too much air and the pump is going to lose prime, and that wouldn't be good. So we're just going to open it a bit. There's a lot of air. Now again, listen to the wee-woos in the pump. It should, it has prime, but there's just so much air now. So it should recatch is the idea. But remember that it keeps administering more and more air. It's coming up again. But as it sucks more, it's going to suck more air. You can hear it churn. A lot. Let's go all the way. Oh, she's trying, but she's losing. It's sucking on it. It's getting it. Oh yeah, that's a better sound. There you go. Almost no air in the pump now because we have proper flow. Now the other one, I think I'm just going to go for broke. It's a longer run, but now we have 2 inlets going into the pump, so let's just hit it all the way. Again, I'm banking on the fact that we have 2 inputs to it that are all water. you put too much air in the pump, you can lose prime and lose it enough that it won't suck it. But we got little wee-woos. Not much, but it's there. You shouldn't do it this way, by the way. You should open it just slightly, like I did the first time. We're going to see if it's going to pull it. I see that water moving in there, so it's got something going for it. Remember, as little water as it is taking in, it's taking a lot more air. There he goes. Better sounds. I see that water moving. There he goes. Seeing it lost it again. Maybe good enough that we lost it completely. Now she's moving. This old girl still got it. It's churning it out, but it's gonna, there it is. That's it. Skimmers are open. And you can tell because the water is moving here in the west skimmer, which I opened first, and also here in the east skimmer. So everything is working well. There's another shot of the pool. That's all the stuff that was on the cover that landed at the bottom. The blue spot there, I tried an experiment that didn't work. I took the cover pump and put it on that, but what this stuff is just fine particulate gunk, like clumps of algae, or I don't know what you want to call it, but the bottom grate of the pump just got clogged with that, and it had virtually no water flow. For what flow it did have, oh, that was solid green coming out. So the idea was right. The pump certainly was not suitable for that, and that's why in the manual vacuuming, that's when all of this stuff comes out. And this is going to be tough here. Probably going to want to try to take the leaf net, and maybe the mesh on that is fine enough that it will clog that up and get stuck in that, and I can get at least some of it out. That's the idea. But otherwise, just another perfect day of rain and trying to get the pool open. We can actually see right here, see the little guy going there? He should eventually go in the skimmer. It may or may not flow in, because sometimes it kind of gets stuck in there. It'll make its way, but oh, there it came in. It's hiding over here under the gunk somewhere. We should put the baskets in there too. That way all that gunk doesn't make it, well, the bigger stuff won't make it back to the pump. I think the weight on the other basket is not staying in anymore. It stays, it keeps it weighted, but it doesn't stay where it's supposed to. That's fine. We'll deal with that. There's a leaf coming in now. We'll see if we could see that, and hopefully it will, there it is. There's the leaf. That'll get caught in this basket now. Perfect. So that's it. Just another rainy day. Trying to get the pool open. Everybody always aims to get their pool open by Memorial Day. This is well past that. I hope you did have a wonderful Memorial Day. and use that day for what it's meant for, which of course is having a barbecue and drinking a lot of beer. I mean, remembering those who served our country. But I hope you had a happy one regardless. Anyway, that's going to do it for this one. This has now unlocked new levels for us by getting to this stage, because now I can shock the pool. I could have done it before. We're going to talk about that in the next part when I do that. And also I can put DE in for the filter, so we can get this filtering to get the water clarity, or how clear, how crystal clear the water is, better, because it's kind of murky. See, it's got that like cloudiness to it. The filter is going to take care of that. So we're going to see that in the subsequent parts. Thank you very kindly for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you in the next part, shocking the pool, which I do in a very shocking, unconventional manner. We'll see you there. Bye-bye.